Today we're looking at our Hardware 3 Model Y that we've been having trouble with FSD on, and we're going to see if we can check in the service menu if the alignment has anything to do with the problems that we're having. Hopefully it is something that we're having a problem with that we can actually correct in the service menu. However, I kind of doubt that, but we're going to check out the service menu today and see what it looks like and see whether there is something that we can do with the alignment of the steering, and see if that does have any effect on FSD version 12.6.4 in our Hardware 3 Model Y. So to get into the service menu, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the car icon. We're going to go to software. We're going to tap on the model name until it flashes up with enter access code, type in service, and that'll pull up the service menu. And at this point, you can go to chassis and alignment. And what we're going to do here in this alignment is we're actually going to, first of all, check what the applied offset is so we can press on the brake. When we press on the brake, it tells us we have a 3.3 degree offset already applied to the car. So what we're actually going to do is we're going to clear the applied offset. And to do this, we do, I believe, need the key card, but we'll see. Yes, actually, so what we need to do is we need to hold the right turn signal in the active position and press down on the brake for 8 seconds. So turn signal, brake, tells us how many seconds. There we go. There we go. And clear the applied offsets. And there we go. All right, so what we need to do now is actually drive the car around for a little bit, and then we can get it back to 0, and then we will hopefully be at 0 applied offset, and then it will reapply an offset after it does the test to make sure that it is actually the correct steering wheel offset for the car. Hopefully this will help with our current problems with FSD, but we'll check it out. So I'm going to go ahead and exit the service menu and then take it for a little drive. All right, so I haven't actually taken it for a drive yet, but it did already reset to 0. But I'm going to go ahead and take a drive, and then we'll see if this helps us at all with FSD. So we'll give it a good drive here, a few miles, see if it helps with the steering offset and see what it resets to. It should relearn what the offset should be. Might just go ahead and turn it on FSD to see how it does while we're doing that. It's on FSD right now. Interestingly enough, it is actually doing fairly well at lane centering. So I'm definitely going to be paying attention to where it's centering in the lane. That's the biggest thing from this, to see if we can make sure that the steering wheel offset being adjusted or reset has any impact on its ability on FSD to actually center in lanes. So already it's a little bit close to the left side. Right now the speed control is pretty good. It's going right at 44, which is what I have it set, 10% over. So it's 40 miles per hour. We're going 44. That's pretty good. And we're centering pretty well. Now, I say that, and then we're on the yellow line there, and now we've gone down to 37. So I don't know. We'll have to see. We'll go back. We'll check what the offset is after we've done a little bit of driving and see if it has reset to a new offset It was at 3.3 degrees. We'll see if that is the same now. And then, yeah, hopefully we can do another drive after that and see if it has any impact on the FSD and its ability to center on 12.6.4. So we went on a couple mile drive, and we're going to go back into the service menu and check where we're at on the wheel alignment offset. So if we go up to chassis alignment, press the brake, 0.4. So it's actually changed the offset to 0.4%. I did not see any difference on our current drive. However, hopefully on future drives, we might be able to see a difference in FSD 12.6.4 because we changed the alignment. So then we'll just exit the service menu. So hopefully that does something to fix the problems we have on 12.6.4 on our Hardware 3 Model Y. The offset was changed, so that is promising. Something has changed. We did, but really I'm just getting desperate at this point to change whatever things I can on the car to try to make 12.6.4 work, because we've had so much troubles with it actually not staying in the lane, not centering, and with the speed control. Speed control, I don't think has anything to do with alignment. So obviously this probably won't happen. This won't help with 12.6.4, but it's worth a try, and I will report back once I get to some more time on it. It didn't seem to have any impact on our drive this night, but it was also relearning that offset. So going from 3.3 to 0.4, that's definitely a difference. So we'll see what that has as far as an impact on FSD, if any, and we'll see. So anyway, thanks so much for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.